In this video, I'm going to show you the best export settings for Premiere Pro. Okay, so here is my timeline and you can see some track footage that I'm looking to export. There are three ways to get to the Export tab. The first way is to come up to File, Export Media. The next is just hitting this Export tab here. And the third is the keyboard shortcut Command M or Control M on Windows. Now that we are in the Export tab, you'll see down here under Output is a snapshot of our render settings. This is always good just to check because a lot of our settings live behind these collapsible tabs. So just glancing across here, you can see all the settings. Okay, so up the top, we have our file name. I'm going to name this track footage. Below location, this is just where we want the file to be saved. So we're going to save it to desktop. For preset, I recommend using Match Source Adaptive High Bitrate. What Match Source does is essentially looks at the settings of your footage and timeline and determines the best export settings for that footage. So we can see down here our source is 1080 and it has set our output resolution to 1080 as well. So if we were working in a 4K timeline, then this would automatically change our output to 4K as well. For format, we're going to keep it on H.264. This is the most universal and widely accepted video format, so we're just going to keep it at H.264. So under the video tab, we're going to scroll down to the bitrate settings. In basic terms, this is how much data is packed into each second of your video. This setting is the main factor that contributes to the file size and the quality of your video. In this drop down, we have three settings. We have CBR, VBR 1 pass, and VBR 2 pass. CBR means constant bitrate and VBR means variable bitrate. Now I know you came here for a quick video, so I'm not going to go into much depth about what these can do, but I like to keep mine on variable bitrate 1 pass. Now you can see if we slide the target bitrate up, our file size over here increases. What I recommend for 1080 footage is to keep this around 12 megabytes per second. And if I was outputting in 4K resolution, I would be aiming to keep this right up around the 40 to 45 megabits per second mark. Okay, so for audio, I recommend just keeping the audio format at AAC and the bitrate at 320. And now you're ready to hit export. If you got something out of this video and want to see more, then hit that subscribe button.